Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to reset settings on your Sony ZV-E10 Mark II. To do that, you have to switch on the camera, then open the main menu of the camera, scroll left to the sidebar, then scroll down to setup. Then here in setup menu, we're gonna have to select the second option, which is reset save settings. Now, before you reset your settings, you should know that you can also back up the settings, the existing ones, on your SD card. If you have it inserted into your camera, then you're just gonna have to go to save/load settings and select save, then save new, then click save, and then you'll be able to restore your settings from the backup by clicking load and then selecting the backup here. Now, to reset your settings, go to settings reset, then select camera settings reset, click enter, wait until the camera is restarted. Okay, and so yeah, right now the settings are reset and we can restore them from the backup simply by going to the same menu, load, select your backup, okay, and wait until the camera is restarted. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.